Hello, my name is Mike Egidio and I'm the owner of Crypto Training Center. Along with myself and my developers, we have completed an integration of the branded token Crypto Training Center token, CTCT. My developers, Ravi and Naveen, were able to integrate this into our website along with the proof of concept goals, which are to encourage user registration and positively influence interaction among the students as well as the teachers. This is a continuation of our phase 2 OST proof of concept. So along with our training classes, we look to educate our attendees of our meetup about blockchain and use case along with the OST tokenization. Our hope is that our site and branded token will be used as a normal form of transaction with all transactions recorded on the OST blockchain. So we will provide a wallet for showing both token and ledger balances along with transaction history and logs. Let me demonstrate for you. So here is the Crypto Training Center. If we go to classes, you can see here, you can pick from a class and you can register on that class, the one that you'd like to take. And I'm going to log in. So now you see our dashboard shows the user's balance along with an airdrop balance, their token balance, along with ledger transaction and all the transactions that they've recorded or they've performed. So if we want to match our transactions to the Explorer, we can copy the transaction hash and go to the Explorer, copy that in, and now we can see the transaction of 4 minutes ago. I just performed this with block number 658-590 and 658-5990. So there you show, that shows that we performed our ledger transaction on the block Explorer. Now let me talk briefly on the developer log snapshot that we did also today. We had 2 users. Both of these users were airdrop tokens and redeemed tokens. These are the 2 users that performed this. And I'm going to go to the transaction logs now to show. So the first user is the new API at new API. And we'll go to the logs. And you can see they're coded in purple to see the transaction log. So here is the user in purple. This user ID matches. Our UUID is here as well. And we also have a test in green that shows the balance and the transaction size. This was a transaction 1. And the one in green has a transaction of 3. So we can see here, we have the transaction logs, which I will send as well. So as you can see, we recorded both logs today through an airdrop and a token redemption, along with the supporting logs.